Happy Friday, Team Fairfax. As you know, you each chose a flamingo, and today is the first Flamingo Friday. So let's get our first winners recognized. Number 18 is our big first winner. We'll get that one taken out. Next up, number 16. So far we have 18 and 16. Take that one out. Number 30. Number 15. And number 39. Those are our 5, but let's do one for good luck. Number 22. If you have one of these numbers, please bring your flamingo down to the office to claim your prize. You will be able to keep the flamingo for fun, to hold your beverage over the summer, and I wish the rest of you luck.